This is an off-roading road trip through Georgia, 1870 style. I took my 25-minute epic road trip video and cut it down to just over 3 minutes. Here we are still on this one dirt road that we have never left. No pavement at all. Nothing but a dirt road adventure this whole way. Ooh, not like I'm splicing together 12 seconds dirt road and 35 minutes of pavement to get here.
So your car's rattling.
The adventure was fun. The 100% paved road, 100% dirt roads, no pavement the entire way. Ain't that right, everybody?
No, that's an absolute fabrication, YouTube.
All right, that was it. I want to make sure everybody knows we had fun on the dirt roads.
All right, anyways, so, but it didn't make...
You've been watching 1870 Off-Road. Click the link on the screen to see the full 25-minute video of the adventure you just saw here.